Hi, we're back with interior designer Kate Lawrence to talk all things interior style.
Hi, I'm Kate Lawrence and welcome to my home.
How would you describe each of the different styles of the two homes?
This one that we're in, I think it would appeal more to a mass. It's very light, bright, it's got a kind of coastal feel about it. The next door is probably a little bit edgier. I've got black cabinetry throughout the whole place, the concrete bench tops. It's a bit rawer and a bit edgier than this, which is quite a pretty soft palette.
And what were the major considerations you had to make, being that you'd be living in one?
Practicality, a lot of storage, and then also another big thing for us was just having that indoor-outdoor flowing right through.
Obviously it's a lot lighter and brighter over here. What were the big choices you had to make to bring that to life here?
For the light side, I had the light flooring and then I wanted a timber kitchen, and I needed to match the two timbers because I didn't want a contrast. I wanted it to be quite seamless. So it took me a while to find the right product.
And then on the dark side, being your home where you'll be living, how did that influence those final choices and what were your selections?
The dark side was a hard one because it is totally just my personal taste and I wasn't really thinking about someone else. Whereas this side, the light side, I always was. I was thinking, okay, we'll sell that eventually, it's an investment, what kind of appeals to the mass? Whereas that side was very much what I love, what Luke loves. And that was dark cabinetry. I liked that kind of timber veneer. I didn't want stark black, but I wanted that real raw texture. And then the concrete bench tops throughout. The concrete, the black veneer, and then the Venetian plaster. They're probably the three big things from the dark side.